Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can delete or add a room or a space in your existing Airbnb listing. Try and do this from a computer because their phone app is not suited for things like this. And once you're logged in, click on switch to hosting on the top right. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And then choose listings option here in the top, and then click on your listing image once again. That will open up your listing editor, and by default, it should land you in the photo tour of your property. Now, if you want to add a new room or a space, click on this plus icon here, and then click on add a room or space. And then you can choose what kind of area you want to add to your property. On the other hand, if you want to delete an existing room or a space, just go over to that section. And on the following screen, the last option here is delete a room or space. Just click on that and then confirm once again. And that will remove that space from your property straight away. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time. Bye-bye.